Have you ever wondered why Serbia and Kosovo are still in conflict, even decades after the war ended? On the surface, it might seem like a simple dispute over land, but the reality is far deeper. It's about history, identity, religion, and national pride. Today, we're going to break down the real problem between Serbia and Kosovo and why it's so hard to resolve. Kosovo used to be part of Serbia, and even before that, part of Yugoslavia. But in the late 1990s, the region erupted in violence. The 1998 and 1999 war between Serbian forces and ethnic Albanians ended with NATO intervention. The goal, to stop the widespread oppression and violence against Kosovo Albanians. In 2008, Kosovo declared independence. Over 100 countries around the world recognized Kosovo as a new, sovereign state, but Serbia refused. And this disagreement over independence lies at the very heart of the conflict. Kosovo wants the world to see it as fully independent. Serbia insists that Kosovo is still part of its territory. Kosovo's population is mostly ethnic Albanian, around 90%. The remaining 5 or 10% are ethnic Serbs, mostly living in the north near the border with Serbia. For Albanians, Kosovo is their homeland. It represents freedom and the chance to build their own future after years of oppression. For Serbs, however, Kosovo is not just land. It's the spiritual and historical heart of their nation, a place deeply tied to Serbian identity. This ethnic divide fuels tension. In northern Kosovo, many Serbs don't recognize the Kosovo government. They continue to follow Serbian schools, courts, and police. Small disputes here can quickly escalate into protests or even violence. Because Serbia doesn't recognize Kosovo as independent, Kosovo cannot join the United Nations or many other international organizations. At the same time, Kosovo insists it is a fully independent country with its own government, army, and institutions. This clash isn't just local. It has become an international issue. The European Union, the United States, and NATO push for dialogue. Russia and China support Serbia's claim over Kosovo. The EU has even offered both countries the chance to join the bloc if they normalize relations. But progress is slow. To understand why Serbia cannot let go of Kosovo, we have to look at history. Medieval heartland. Kosovo was the center of the medieval Serbian kingdom and the Orthodox Church. Some of Serbia's most sacred monasteries, like Visoki Dekani, Gračanica, and the Patriarchate of Peja, are located there. Serbs often call Kosovo their Jerusalem. The Battle of Kosovo, 1389. This battle against the Ottoman Empire may have been a military defeat, but it became a symbol of heroism and national pride. The story of sacrifice has been passed down through generations, shaping the Serbian identity. Religious significance. Kosovo is full of centuries-old Serbian Orthodox churches and monasteries. For many Serbs, these sites are not just historical, they are proof of their ancient roots in the region. National myth versus modern reality. For Serbs, giving up Kosovo feels like losing the soul of their nation. Albanians' independence is about dignity, freedom, and building a future. These opposing narratives make compromise incredibly difficult. So what's the real problem? On the surface, it's a political dispute. Kosovo wants recognition. Serbia refuses to give it. But underneath, it's about history, identity, religion, and national pride. This makes the conflict not just a territorial dispute, but a clash of two deeply rooted narratives. Until these narratives are acknowledged and until both sides find a way to live together peacefully, the Serbia-Kosovo conflict will remain one of Europe's most complicated and sensitive issues. Understanding the Serbia-Kosovo conflict isn't just about borders or politics. It's about understanding why people fight for history, identity, and a sense of belonging. If you want to truly grasp modern European conflicts, this is a story you need to know.